Hello, welcome to LitFilmFest Lioness Lunch Challenge. I'm Lucy Bronze and I'm challenging you to make a healthy, portable lunch.
We are Bro Primary School and we accept the Lioness Lunch Challenge! Welcome to our Lioness Lunch Challenge video. Today, Year 2 from Bro Primary School are going to be making a delicious, scrumptious and healthy oat surprise.
You will need oats, honey, yogurt, a selection of berries, nuts, a chopping board, a knife, a jar, a spoon and a bowl.
First, carefully chop the berries in small pieces. Berries contain important nutrients that help your body to fight off germs. Next, sprinkle half a cup of oats into the jar.
Oats are carbohydrates. These are important because they provide abundant energy.
After that, pour the yogurt over the oats to make them moist and soft. Yogurt contains calcium, which is great for the lionesses to do with all the kicking, running, jumping. Next, drizzle the runny, gooey honey on top. Honey is a source of sugar which provides a lot of energy, but don't eat too much. Finally, place a handful of nuts on the top to finish off your oat surprise. Nuts provide protein, which is crucial for strength, growth and repair. Top tip, make your oat supplies even more delicious by leaving it in a fridge. What a healthy snack. Mission accomplished. A balanced, nutritious snack fit for football icon. What do you think, Lioness?
Well done, you smashed the Lioness Lunch Challenge. That looked amazing. See you later.
Thank you for watching. Let us know if you try making an oat surprise at home. Bye!